There are some actors that have dwelled into singing and have done fairly well. Such transitions of self-esteem have led to some singers thinking that they can be capable and successful actors. Discussing some of the most embarrassing transitions, here is Tried and Refused Productions with 5 Indian singers turned awful Bollywood actors. Number 5 goes to Shaan. Some people should stick to their strengths, and one evergreen and melodious Shaan also decided to dabble into acting. It was quite the depressing thing to watch. The singer that has given us hits like Wo Pehli Baar and Kuch To Hua Hai was mostly seen in front of camera as a judge in numerous singing reality TV shows. Until 2014's Balwinder Singh famous हो गया, where he starred opposite Mika Singh.
डांड की तरह झूली के घर में घुस जाने की क्या जरूरत थी?
भला ऐसे मामले में पड़ोसी के काम नहीं आएगा तो कौन आएगा?
The performances were over the top and cringy to say the least, and just made us wonder that the singer should stick to the recording studio. Number 4 goes to Sukhwinder Singh. You know, when there aren't any official trailers or much information on news sites about a movie, that it was 1, a big mistake, and 2, an extremely forgettable movie. Sukhwinder Singh, the internationally celebrated singer who has given us hits like Chaiya Chaiya and Jai Ho, decided to give acting a try where he starred in the lead role in a movie called Kuch Kariye in 2010.
मैं तन्हा हूं, पहले ऐसा नहीं था।
ना तुम हिंदुस्तान के हो, ना मुसलमान के हो, ना इस्लाम के हो।
It begins as a middle-aged singer's search for fame, proceeds through a pathetic tale of struggle in Amchi, Mumbai, and ends in a tryst with terrorists who spring out of nowhere. Nope. Number 3 goes to Abhijit Sawant. The stage was set for this man when he won the first season of Indian Idol to be one of the biggest singers that India has ever seen. From hits like Mohabbatein Lutaunga and Junoon, the singer had all the potential to transition into mainstream cinema. But the singer had the bright idea of trying his fair share in acting and starred in a movie in 2009 called Lottery.
काले काम उजली जिंदगी नहीं दे सकते। अपॉर्चुनिटी जब दरवाजा खटखटाती है ना, तो शोर होने की कंप्लेन नहीं करनी चाहिए।
The movie, irrespective of the bad premise and script, just showcased the drawbacks of Sawant as an actor. The actor since then has come in a string of reality TV shows, either hosting or doing sketch comedy. Number 2 goes to Sonu Nigam. There is absolutely no doubt that Sonu Nigam is one of the most talented and soulful singers of the country. The man who has given us hits like Sandesh Se Aate Hain and Kal Ho Na Ho should have never thought that he was a capable actor. He tried his best and failed miserably, but it led to majority of audiences laughing their heart out whenever he delivered dialogues.
विक्टर और अब्दुल जैसे निर्दोष दोस्तों की मौत के बाद अब मुझे पूरा यकीन हो गया है, हम लोग सब के सब मारे जाएंगे. Everyone will be killed.
He made his Bollywood debut with Jani Dushman and went on to do box office failures, namely Kaash Aap Hamare Hote and Love in Nepal. Before we discuss the number 1 position, here are some honorable mentions.
जयगी भाईजान।
किसका भाई किसकी जान?
देखिए भाई साहब,
किसका भाई किसका साहब? चल दिमाग मत कर खराब।
बहुत प्यार करता था उससे।
अगर हमारा प्यार सच्चा है तो तकदीर को बदलना होगा, उस शाप को हारना होगा।
And number 1 obviously goes to Himesh Reshammiya. The more I say, the less it may be communicated and clear to Himesh Reshammiya that he should stop doing movies. Actually, some of his movies do financially well, so I don't blame the guy, but one thing's for certain. That poker face through all his movies emote nothing but I'm trying bhai par nahi ho raha. The singer who has done exceptionally well as a music director for movies such as Bodyguard and Kick has done over 8 movies and all have just communicated to me that he cannot act.
तुम्हारा शक सही है, मैं वो नहीं हूं जो तुम समझती हो. मेरा नाम राजीव नहीं है.
Mostly playing the defiant lover who defeats all odds to meet the woman, the man should just stick to his skills of creating music. And that was the list, guys. Write it down in the comments below if you have some video ideas for our channel. Also, please support my personal Instagram page. The handle is right in front of you. Follow me at JammyPants4. Also, please support the video by smashing the like button and subscribing to our channel for weekly content ahead. Thank you so much for watching.